Get it on. Hey peoples, hey guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Period. That was strong. Period. Period.
I'm out here,
Men. Second video, I'm so excited. I can't believe I'm actually do this. Guys, when I was making these vlogs, yeah, I didn't know I was doing YouTube. Like, I was literally just recording. Like, I've been recording since April. The vlog is literally with no context, just me living my life, and now it's going on YouTube. I've got so many videos, so many funny videos from first year. Oh my god. So yeah, another weekly vlog with me, fun, laughter and vibes. That's all we're serving today, fun, laughter and vibes. So what did I do this week? I actually go out every single day. Vibes, like I'm actually here for vibes, and I'm really selling myself as a useless girl right now. Great, I love it, love to see it. I don't even say that. Yeah, I was blonde, you know. I was blonde. Well, the wig was off. How long did I leave my wig on? 2-3 days. I was blonde on my days. Girl done it amazingly. Like, it was so neat, like perfect. Like literally, I'm gonna go back to when I was in the chair. Yeah, I was like, oh my days, this is nice. I was like, yeah, I'm feeling myself. Like, yeah, I'm blonde. Then when I left and started recording myself, I was like, this is Like, because it was really different, but I wasn't really feeling it. I was just like, I need to get my head on again. But I mean, I like it now. I literally, that day we went to a 90s party. I think I have some footage. I'm gonna add the footage. 90s party, let's go. Let's go.
Just now.
This is the hair. Bitches, I'm blonde. So I just took off my eyelashes back on.
So now you can eat.
Because I still love
Exclusive.
Welcome. Hi camera. How are you guys? We're driving right now. I touch the bitch that you fuck with, so expect me to
seatbelt on. I never wear my seatbelt. Actually, really, it feels like what?
All I be thinking about is
I hate being in the car, but I hate it. With loud music, and then about the driving. Drive so recklessly, like I'm actually scared. Loud music, like it scares me. Like it totally scares me. Like I was genuinely scared for my life. I didn't know I was gonna make it, and it happened all the time. And I still get inside the car. Let's go there. Very soon, we're gonna be celebrity.
Hey guys.
We're gonna be celebrity.
I ain't no celeb. I'm with the celeb. I'm with the celeb.
Very soon, you're gonna be celebrity.
My good scared.
Yeah, we got sex on the bed, sex on the bed, sex on the bed, sex on the bed, my leg, sex on the bed, sex on the bed, sex on the bed. Laugh on the bed. Can you just drink the sex on the bed? It's sweet. That's bad. That's a bad sign. Do you know why it's a bad sign? Because the ones that don't taste like alcohol has the most alcohol in it.
Let me get a helmet. Put that down.
I'm gonna lie, I apologize, yeah, but every single vlog you see Samuel's gonna be in, just there's some rhythm, some rapping, there's something going on. Something he's one chance to show like what he's got. Like he's always rapping. Oh my god.
Black boys make girls come.
Huh?
That was by making it right.
What did you say?
Black boys make girls come. Blondes have more fun. Get these funds.
Say hi to Samuel. You love the camera.
Bash him.
Yes, you are face. 10 years. In 10 years stays on the fun days.
Thongs to the side. Baby girl, let me just get inside.
I wanna fuck you baby all night. You know they call me Big Skull, I ain't Fred.
Oh!
Baby girl, you down to ride. Can I get a pie?
Can I get a pie?
And then give a pie.
Give a what?
Go to your galley's yard, give her my big log wood.
What?
Give her this D. You know she loves.
She in the car. Daily Duppy. Yo, he's done already now.
Bow. It's TK on the beat. Got my nigga TK, drinking the BK.
Bow.
Shelly 9. Bring the whites, the guys, the vibe.
Hey! I'm gonna go take one. Oh, you're pushing me off the bed.
Guys, shut up.
Shut up!
Yo, it's TK on the beat. With my nigga BK, drinking the BK.
Oh.
Shelly 9. Bring the whites and the bites to the guys.
Yeah? Shut up. Yeah? Let's go. Go B. Go B. Go B. Go B. This is the dynamic game. These lot are rapping them. I'm like hyping them up like, hey, I'm such an A girl that I'm like, hey, yeah. Say, could I be? Should I jump on my knee? I'm like, yeah. Like, I don't know what they're saying, but I'm like, yeah.
Oh,
Give me the wow.
I'm gonna shoot you in the head. Break my heart, man.
Oh.
I would have given you the world.
Oh. I'm not even gonna try it.
I can jump over that whole thing.
Go, bro.
You think I can jump over it? Why?
If you can, then you owe me £10. So guys, we're gonna watch Scolo jump over this.
Let's get it.
Let's go. So my bag is from Zara. Cute little bag. This is a really nice bag.
YouTube, bruv.
Leave me alone.
Got you for life. You understand me? Life! Bitch! And the life of the dad! Yeah! And the life of the dad! Yeah! And the life of the dad! I got you! I got you!
Hey, yo.
I got you! Wings for really nice things. Wings for yours.
You were...
What we do?
But they want to move for me. Say she gon' move for me.
Oh! Trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah.
Drumming. That's it. Play. That's all. Head!
What am I doing? I'm so embarrassing. I'm actually gonna embarrass myself in big YouTube like this. I mean, this is what you guys want to see in it.
The battery got the blonde on her head. Skolo got the hold up. I'm hot not. Sorry, why has got the hat on? This thing where we go,
Why is the dangerous?
everybody want to play with the gun. We gon' blow, play with my gang. We come into your throat and we gon' blow. Don't ever play with the gun because we gon' blow. And I got Skolo, and I got Passy. We just eat patties. And I get my cash, I'm not a chatty patty. I'm gon' blow your mommy, then I'm gon' fuck your auntie. Man fi idiot. You a idiot. Me na idiot. You na idiot. You na idiot. You get banged. Come with the gang. They call me Bakararam.
Drake, the best artist alive.
Cool.
Yeah, I can't even deny.
Really?
You used to think about that.
Cool.
Yeah.
The pussies they were always waiting for me. When I come to the sea, you know, we spray with my team. She say I got a third leg, you ain't seen it before. The third leg pay a visit, all it do is make you snore. The girl so nasty, yo ho. Baby, come here, let me spray you in Dior. Deposit in the bank, you ain't seen this before. Where's your card, girl? I just wanna make sure.
Yeah.
What's the ping, girl? Why you moving shy for? Francis Bonjour, chicken connoisseur before I ever leave the store. Tell boss man that I really want some more. Bring the agenda, baby lay down. I'll paint you with a henna. Put a little beauty spot on your eye. Go to the whip, then we just get fried. Mama barged in trying to take her my time. I told her that I'm right and I'ma see you later, slime. JR's where you at? We ain't really got time. The tour bus leaving around 9:30. Wrap her eggs around my legs like it's a gang sign.
So you need to write those down and make that song. I like that, 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 I actually like that. That was a freestyle you ain't never seen before. See, you know when some people are made for it. You know when some people are made for it. Woo, 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 woo. Yes, his birthday is today. So happy birthday. Yours is 40 today. Oh my god. Yeah, what? These are the two things that you can't really see. One girl. One girl.
Hello. Yeah. And she knows like where girls from FTC, like if you find. I don't even want to go around and pink.
It's really tell them.
Why?
Go baby, go baby. Tell them, hey, hey, hey. What's it up? Hey, what's it up? Hey. I like water. No, I want some alcohol. Oh, alcohol. Alcohol, babe. Since she was giving me so, then I was like, look at that. Wanna come? Toby was fighting me over liquor. The girl had free. I had to go. Oh, okay. That man's dead. If you saw the face, that girl just looked. If you saw the face, she just scared. She was like. Guys, let me tell you guys about our friendship. Yeah. So guys, people think we're best friends and stuff. They think that we're best for each other, but I actually feel like us lot are lit. Like we're good together, innit? Some of them are just a bit rude, you know. Obviously, I'm the nicest in the group chat. Wow, wait, what? 1, 2, 4, hey, 1, 2, 4, toes. Hey.
Hi guys.
Sexy 20. It's not even focusing.
Yeah, it isn't.
Well, yeah, you're 20. Say, really?
Like an actual DJ.
Oh, say me there. Wait, we're going to rent it, guys. Apparently there's a DJ downstairs. This is the first girl that's 20 in the group. 20, period. Do you have anything to say?
I would just like to say, I don't know, I woke up on the 1st of September feeling
what?
wiser, smarter, older. And I thought to myself, wow.
What a wonderful world.
Wow.
You're really 20.
You set a good standard, you know.
No, don't know.
You should. Amazing, like best ever. Like, she set that bar so high.
Daniela's my inspiration. You know, I'm like,
you're my inspiration.
Let me look nice like Daniela. Like,
you're my inspiration.
You're my trainers.
Are you dumb? Does your friend do that?
No, but does your friend actually do that for you?
Your friends? Never mind.
I don't think. Oh.
I was about to cuss, but I can't.
Life is so good for me right now. Like,
it's amazing.
It's amazing for me right now. So yeah, just
guys, can I just say something? Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
The elixir from Hustle Anubis. I love the elixir. That's what she drinks. That's why she looks so good.
Who looks so good?
Beyonce. Who should drink the elixir? Yeah.
The elixir.
Another time, remember we were walking with Pauline and then the guys. I don't know what they said. And then you like,
yeah,
you just started fighting them.
Basically, so we were walking. Yeah, this is after a traumatic situation with you, you bastard. Yeah.
Who? Oh.
Yeah, so we're bitch, exactly, we're walking to Merlin, and then these white guys look at my friend's bum. I said, well, where did my friend's bum for? You ain't got no respect for ladies. And
then she started going, she went to go square up, and then she's like, I just left her because I know she wanted to fight. She had so much anger in her. Like, Toby used to be this what? This is, oh guys, another day. Oh, this day was fun. This day was really, really fun. So guys, I went raving with Caroline. It's actually raving. It's like, they play like funky house, garage music, house music. Like, it's really lit. Like, it's just something. I mean, I went like, it was something really different. So you need to get your ass there. Like, it's actually very good to watch. Like, people come in and they express themselves. Like, the guys, there was someone that was wearing a suit. There's man that was wearing a suit, some guy that was wearing a backpack. People just wear really, really random clothes, and I really like it. Like, it's like you just wear whatever you want to wear. Like, no one's gonna judge you. Like, just do your thing. I've got some clips on my phone. I'm gonna add it. Just the house music. Like, I actually have a new gender. I have a new genre. I actually like house music is a vibe. Like,
I feel good, good, good. I feel good. Yes, wonderful, good.
So wait to get it, hey, you think I'm jack? It's just gonna be vibes, like.
Tell me how you're feeling. Tell me how you're feeling.
You just need to let the beat control you, like just move the beat, just move. I want to dance like this, like obviously I'm at home, I'm comfortable, but I'm actually going to be with like hundreds of other people. Cause I really shake my ass like that. Everyone, oh no. That's gonna be raving for the first time. I'm excited to see how it's gonna be like.
Let's just hope we get in.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Good vibes, good vibes. Have you had the gege bread? It's like that. It's better.
It can't even match the gege bread.
Okay, we have to try it then.
It's not even on a gege bread level.
What? Do you hear the beat?
Hear the beat?
Just let it control you.
What are you doing? What are you fucking doing?
I'll be sitting outside, up a minute, so in my car, and scuffing this long, so fine.
That has memories, you make memories. Finally.
No more.
To our SDC year 7.
Now we have Dolly.
The guys, that was actually fun.
But that guy that got voted though.
Oh yeah, oh guys, we literally witnessed a guy, 10-man basically
died.
jumped. Oh, Caroline. Caroline.
Beat up.
Got bodied.
His mouth, nah, he
I didn't actually see, I was trying not to look in it, but
like, what did he do to make them niggas that mad?
but what can you do? Like, I don't understand that.
They were, and then they just walked off like it was nothing.
Nothing.
And I'm sure one of them was just
Men.
boom,
Men.
boom,
Men.
boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, she. I'm from Howden. We saw Deneo. Oh, Deneo was there. He performed. Who else? I don't know anybody else, but I know Deneo. Deneo! Guess what this man here? In the party, he was literally screaming, Deneo! Deneo! Hey! Imagine that, yeah, for like a good 10 minutes straight. Even if you're at the back of the party, you hear a man screaming, Deneo! That man was good. People were drunk. People were just having the time of life. People were just dancing anyhow. Like, not being able to dance is a sad life. It's actually a sad life. And like, even to learn dances, guys, I can't do it. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know what's wrong with me. I can't do dances. I can't do nothing. Like TikTok. Oh my god, don't even start. It's 2021 and I still can't do Renegades.
Go.
Why is this me? I need to rebrand already. It's only my second video, but this can't be me. It's always the ones that can't dance that dance a lot. Actually, no, you can dance. I can dance. I'm the best dancer, period. I just embarrass myself in this whole vlog. Like, I actually just embarrass myself. Great, I love that. I love that for me. Yeah, great. Great.
2 days later.
So guys, Another day. Today is a Saturday and we're going out to a little party. So how's the Caroline?
We've missed like kind of 2 years of friendship.
It's so sad when I think about it.
It's really sad, and I feel like if I'm honest, it's due to pride.
It's me that you and Caroline were actually good friends. And I'm actually thinking like shit, like
yeah, no, because
we spent a lot of secondary school together.
Yeah, like first of all, for the whole of number one.
Look at me and my brother 2 years ago.
Hey, shit.
I look at you guys now.
Look at us now. We
Look at you now.
Hey.
And basically, uncle in 10 years time. With the sandals, with the beards, with the Uncle Benny.
It's a vlogging thing, like.
Uncle Benny.
eating good money,
she thinks I'm gonna become an uncle. I'm telling her I'm not.
Right now. Hey, I wanna get. Well, let's you can go with the nut. Caroline on there. Really doing that, chef. Really doing that good job.
Give me that.
So someone of is begging.
No.
He's begging, he's dying to be in the vlog. He's dying for it. I need to sit down. Sorry guys, that's not gonna be wishing older.
My little sister Caroline and my little sister Bessie. My little nigga, you get me? You're not older than me,
When's your birthday? Your birthday's November.
Yeah, this is my new friend. My new friend Snow.
Come see my face, but I like it like that.
Yeah, but
You never spoke to him?
now I know him, you know.
I never spoke to him.
That's what I know about him. He's not a gentleman.
Wait.
Yo, presenting, we out here because we outside. On gang, OTM for life, bitch.
I was sure that's why.
I want to lala via. Put a sauce in still, put it in the box. You don't know about deals. Man, stop playing with a bullshit game. Running rough out with a bullshit game. Bust down looking insane. What's his name? That's in the shade. Daniela.